Pattaya Thailand. Just got my fresh haircut. Got my fresh haircut right now. And we're gonna go get some breakfast here. It's rainy, so today we decided we're not gonna go walking around in the drizzle. We just said we'll just stay in the hotel today and we'll get our breakfast here at the hotel. So we just finished getting ready and we're gonna head downstairs. And you guys can get a chance here to check out my $20 hotel. You guys can see it here. I'll show you guys my $20 hotel. It's all right. So yeah, we got ready. We already got ready with it. We were doing our thing, getting showered up, getting brushed up, brush our teeth, make sure we're looking all fresh, and we're ready to hit the hotel lounge and have our breakfast. It's a set breakfast. It's not a buffet, but tomorrow we'll go for buffet. But anyways, that's that. Let's do it up. Let's go check out what's going on, guys. Breakfast of champions, guys. We're gonna have breakfast of champions. Nookie. Nook. Nook.
Yes.
Nook. I call you Nook. There you go. Ready for breakfast, guys. You can buy one. I'll be all right. You want red?
Red and white.
Hello, Sawadee. Look at breakfast. Eating.
Breakfast and may I have your room number?
My room. Rainy day today. No. We have no. We did not no breakfast with.
The room with our breakfast. If you want breakfast, additional charge 200 baht per person.
That's okay.
As breakfast set.
That's a set breakfast. Okay, that's fine.
Would you like to see the
All right, let's take a look and see what the set breakfast is here. Come on.
Step A, B, C.
Western breakfast. I like American. I think American breakfast for me.
Này. Oh. Cải rau.
Oh, look, nice hotel. Nice hotel. Look out. Here we go. Wow, fancy. Wow, it's like you don't know it's a $20 hotel. It's so fancy. Oh my God, I paid $20. It's so fancy for the breakfast here. $20, and look at what you get here in Thailand. $20. Unbelievable, boy. Fancy. Wow. Look at this fancy hotel. My goodness, man. I like it. Oh, nice. Wow, nice hotel. My hotel is the Vogue Hotel. It's where I'm staying, guys. And I could have eaten outside, but it was rainy today. We said, okay, it's raining. We can eat at our hotel, but because it's raining, we can't eat outside. So maybe we can come here another day and we can eat on the outside. We still have a few more days here before I have to go back to Canada. So yeah, man, we can do that. We can do it up one time. Just look at that. Nice. This place is nice, man. I'm surprised, boy. It's a really nice hotel, man. $20 a night. Holy crow. Breakfast here. It's all right. Small, 200 baht. It's a bit chilly, the cold. Not a lot of beans considering. They could have given us a few more beans. And there you go. We got the orange juice and we have the coffee here. So there you go, guys. Take a look at that shit. It's all right. breakfast time 7 to 10. So we came here, voila. Pasta. That was like a cocktail menu. Voila.